guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a review on this little thing. Now, I bought this quite a while ago in a AliExpress haul, which I will leave a link above here so that you can have a look at that. But I did buy this. Obviously, I think it came from China, so I'm not sure what to expect. But we're going to be testing this out today. So yeah, that is the plan. I'm going to open it. Obviously, I've opened it already, but I'm going to show you exactly what you get in here. I think it was less than £5. If it works, then brilliant. I might even be getting some more. But yeah, we're going to test it out today. So let's get into the video. Right, so let's open it. Now, apologies for the view here, but you're currently propped on some box in front of my light up mirror so that you can see what I'm doing. But I'm going to open this. So inside you get a leaflet which obviously tells you what to do. We'll go through that in a sec. You also get the trays which come in this box. So you get one for the top and one for the bottom. They come in a little baggie like that. And then if you ever wanted to use this again, you just need to get the solution. So there's that as well. Then you get 4 syringes of product. So there's 4 here. You also get some little things to put on the end to obviously direct the stuff into the tray properly, I would think. So yeah, you get 4 lots of product there. You get the little light, which comes in a bag as well. And you get the tester card. So first of all, let's check. We'll look at my teeth and we'll see which colour we think I'm nearest to. So I was kind of looking at this the other day. I think that I'm more like a, sorry, I'm just going to look at the mirror at the side. I think I am near, I would say I'm near a 6 and 7. I don't know whether you agree. I'd like to be more along this end, but I think I'm kind of a 6 and 7. I don't know how well it's coming out on camera. But yeah, I think I'm more around here, which is slightly, I don't know whether you can see as well. It's maybe not as good, but yeah, I'm more of sort of this end than the white end. So obviously I'm hoping to move up to this end. Now I know I've already got pretty white teeth already, but they're not perfect. I think a lot of the time it depends on the colour of your skin, colour of your lipstick kind of makes your teeth look a bit whiter. I think it's a bit of an optical illusion, but I know I haven't got the worst coloured teeth in the world, but it would be nice for them to be a little bit whiter. So let's just say, for the sake of it, let's just say I'm a number 8. So yeah, that's where we're at. Right, so basically I'm just going to have a little look at the instructions. I think it's pretty straightforward, to be honest. Now, it says that you've got to mould the trays, so I'm going to have to do this off camera. So basically, you've got some thermoplastic mouth trays. So you've got to bring water, 4 inches of water to the boil, and then remove from the heat for 6 to 7 minutes. Submerge one of the trays into the hot water for 10 to 12 seconds. And just until the tray is about to soften, and then you've got to put it in your mouth, covering your upper teeth, close your mouth and suck out all the air and the excess water, creating a suction between the mouth tray and your teeth. With your fingers, gently form the tray around your teeth by pressing your upper lip against your teeth. Wait 10-15 seconds, then remove the mouth tray. Submerge the tray in cold water for 10 seconds to help retain the shape of your teeth. Repeat the process on the lower tray. So that obviously takes the mould of your teeth. So I'm going to have to do that first. Trim the mouth trays to the correct height. After moulding both trays, use the scissors to trim the excess plastic from the trays. Obviously cutting down the mouth trays at the gum line avoids irritation caused by friction or rubbing of the mouth trays against the sensitive areas. And then obviously we come to whiten. So I'm going to go and do that and we'll be back in a jiffy. Right, I'm back. So it actually says to trim them. So I've only had to trim the bottom one. The top one was fitted really well. Now they look really strange now because they kind of like look like they're like moulded to my teeth. So this one is the top one. As you can see, it's now moulded, which looks strange. But yeah, says to trim them out of the bit which hits the gum line. Now these only just hit the gum line at the top, so I'm not too worried about those. It just helps to avoid irritation apparently. So now I've got to fill the trays and whiten the teeth. So place a small drop of gel on each tooth impression on the upper and lower trays. Do not overload the trays, less is best. Use the upper and lower mouth trays into your mouth. Place the upper and lower mouth trays into your mouth and adjust so that your teeth are properly covered and filled by their corresponding teeth impression. So I've got to put both in. And then put gentle pressure on the upper tray by pushing your upper lip to ensure a tight fit. So I've got to do that. Repeat for the lower mouth tray. And then we're going to pop in the light, and then we're going to wait 20 minutes. So it's a minimum of 20 minutes up to maximum of 45 minutes. I think that's probably a little bit much for the first go. So I'm just going to check the light, just make sure it's working, because I think you have to take the battery protector off. Yeah. There we go. On, off. So, right, let's get, I mean, I'm not really sure how much to use. It doesn't actually say, so you get 3 mils in each one. So maybe, not sure how much to use, so we're just going to sort of wing it. So I'm going to cut the end off here. So you actually screw the new end off, you take the old one off. You take the original one off and pop in the new one, and then it's got a little cap on the top as well. So we'll see how much I can fit in the tray. It might only like be one little bit, so I'll do the top tray first. Now it says less is more, so I'm not gonna go mad. I've barely used any. So I'm just going to use half of, yeah, I've gone half, so I'm going to use half again. So it'll end up using one section per mouthpiece. So I'm going to put this in, and I'm not going to be able to talk. So after this, I'm going to put in the bottom one, and then I'll pop the light on, and then I'll speed. I will see you all in 20 minutes in a sec. So you can just watch me do this part.
"20 minutes later."
Right, so we're all done. I don't know if they look any whiter. I mean, again, it didn't actually say how much solution to put in the tray, which was a little bit weird because it said just don't put too much in. I mean, it said place a small drop of gel on each tooth impression. Do not overload the trays, less is best. So I didn't put a lot in. I literally put one section of the syringe here, and that I shared that between both trays. Now let's just take a look. I'll try and put on this side of the screen what they look like before, and I'm going to do a compare to the card. So do they look whiter? I'm not sure, to be honest. I kind of still think they look around this sort of area. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, I think the more you use it, the better it is as well. So obviously if you try and do this weekly, I think your teeth will look whiter. I mean, I don't know, I think they kind of do look white, don't they? But anyway, yeah, it does say to try and do them weekly. Now I just did it for the minimum amount of time, which was 20 minutes. It was quite uncomfortable sitting there with them in your mouth. I actually ended up cutting off the tabs as well in the end because I couldn't get the light in my mouth, so I've cut those tabs off. I think they were just basically when you was moulding them, stick them in the hot water. But yeah, I mean, I can recommend it. It was only £5, so you know, brilliant. No, nothing wasted there. I do think they look a touch whiter than they did before. So yeah, I think the more you use them, the better they would be. So now I've got everything. I only need to order the syringes, and to know as well that you only use one little bit of the syringe is an added bonus as well, because I've literally got all these to get through first. So I think it needs to become like a weekly thing in order to keep the teeth white. So yeah, So that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If there's anything else you'd like me to review, anything at all like this, I don't mind doing that. Please leave me a message in the comments below. And that's it for this video. So if you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.